Yeah, Mama, I need you to like push me backwards. Oh shit!
Good.
Push. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mama. Thanks, Mama. Oh my gosh. Hold on, it's ripping me apart. Oh shit.
Say whatever you did a minute ago, do it again.
Record your phone. Record his face.
Ow. Ow.
I just need you guys to hold it.
I'm gonna hold it.
A little bit. It's cracking right now. It's coming down towards me.
Let's see it, Dexter.
There's no going that way. I need you to help him hold it over here. You hold it right here. One of the two. He just needs help holding it.
Hold on. Get it up. I need to wrap it around myself or something.
Let's wrap quick. This thing's up free.
Ow.
Wrap it all the way around you twice. Wrap it around your waist twice. Not around your chest. Do it around your waist.
Brody, really
So-
terrible.
Sorry.
You good? You got it at least?
Record your brother.
You got it? All right, I need y'all to hold it for a minute while I hit.
Go.
Dan, I can't. Dan, I can't.
Dan,
I'm not gripping. This freaking gun isn't doing anything right now.
Okay, when you get up ready to go, start pulling real hard. I'm going to be having your mom back here help me push, help Denny. Brody, you need to back up on the way, all right, bro?
I have an idea. I'm gonna go get gloves. It's getting worse. Oh. Dexter, do you have any gloves?
No, I'd appreciate it.
You know where they are? Dexter, you know where the gloves are?
Brody, call Mike real quick and ask him to come over and give me a hand real quick, please.